How to apply to discover it student cashback card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about applying to discover it student cashback card. So let's get started. In order to apply for the Discover It student cashback card, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and in the search bar at the top, type in Discover It student card and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links from where you need to click on the initial one that is indicating Discover It student cashback card, and once you click on it, you will be taken to this kind of interface. Once on the page, look for the apply button in the top right corner of the screen that is indicated in orange color, or you can just simply go ahead and click on apply and start earning. And once you click on it, you will be directly taken to this kind of interface where you have to first enter all of your information correctly. Before that, you will have the option to choose your card design and then fill in your personal details as required and agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions before proceeding and check this box for the agreement. And after completing the form, submit it by clicking on the submit button that is highlighted in orange color. Congratulations, you have successfully applied for the Discover It student cashback card. So this process is quick and straightforward. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.